In the morning, I looked out across the sea, and there was our ship a quarter of a mile away from the shore. I came down the tree and found a stream where I drank some of the cool, fresh water. I lay down and slept again. The sun was high in the sky when I woke up. I resolved to go out to the ship and to try and bring back some things which would be useful to me on the island. Now, when in the morning Robinson Crusoe woke up, he saw that everywhere it was sand and he is alone. He realized now that yes, he is on the island. And when he looked out across the sea, he saw his ship. All right. Ship was a quarter of a mile away from the shore, means from the bank of the river, from the island. From the island, the ship was near about a quarter of a mile away. What is a quarter of a mile, children? Quarter, you all know now, 1/4. Mile means 1.6 kilometers. Mile means 1.6 kilometers. So quarter of a mile means 400 meters, means near about 400 meters away. All right. So now he's saying that as he was at night, he was on the branches now. So he came down the tree and found a stream. He was very thirsty. So he came down the tree and found a stream. Stream means a small river. And he drank some of the cool, fresh water. But he was very tired as he had struggled hard with the sea waves. So he slept again. He lay down and he slept again. The sun was high in the sky, means it was now near about going to be afternoon. So that's why the sun was high in the sky when he woke up. I resolved. Resolved means decided. He decided to go out to the ship now. He was prepared that yes, I am on the island and now I have to live here only for some days, maybe months. Means still he is not getting chance to go back to his home. So till then he has to be there only. So he decided to go to the ship and try and bring some things which would be useful to him on the island. When sailors they go for a voyage, children, they take things which will be needed by them. They carry all the things with them. So Robinson Crusoe decided that if he has to live here, he needs things. All right. So for that he will go to the ship and he will bring some things which will be useful to him in future. Now let's go towards the next paragraph. I plunged into the sea and made for the ship. At last, after a hard swim, I managed to reach it and discovered a rope hanging over the side. With great difficulty, I pulled myself up the rope and reached the deck. The storm had damaged everything. There were broken masts and torn sails and pieces of rope all over the ship. I went down into the cabins and found an axe. On deck again, I cut the masts and ropes and made myself a small raft. I managed to get this raft into the sea and tie it to the vessel with a rope. I found some of the seamen's boxes on board and filled them with stores, bread, rice, cheese, and some wine. I also found some clothes and in the captain's cabin 2 guns, a pair of pistols, and some powder and shot. All these I piled onto the raft, and having found a broken oar, I cast off from the vessel and started for the shore. When I reached the sand, I carried the things up onto dry land. Alright, so now what is in this paragraph? I dived. Now Robinson Crusoe is saying that he Plunged means dived. He dived into the sea and made for the ship, means started going towards the ship. At last, after a hard swim means very difficult, as he was very tired also, and maybe because of the hurricane, the waves were also not normal. They might be rough. So very hard swim. He managed to reach it. It means the ship, and discovered a rope. Discovered means found a rope hanging over the side. He was in the water and the ship was high, so he found a rope hanging over the side of a ship. With great difficulty, I pulled myself up the rope and reached the deck. Sorry. With the help of the rope, he reached the deck. Deck means floor of a ship. Deck means floor of a ship. The storm had damaged everything. Alright, the violent storm had damaged everything. There were broken mast and torn sails. But it's mast and sails in the boat or the ship to control the direction of the wind and to help in the movement. Sails are there. I have already told you what a sail. Sails means a large piece of canvas cloth that is fixed onto a ship or a boat to help the boat or ship move. And mast is a long pole. What is mast? Mast is a tall pole that supports the sails. Okay, I'll show you the picture after this in this slide. And pieces of rope all over the ship means everything was scattered. I went down into the cabins and found an desk. He was exploring everywhere in the ship, so that whatever he could get, he found an X. One deck again. X, you all know now what is X? To cut the trees, as he has to live in the jungle. So X was very helpful for him. On deck again, deck, I have already told you, a raised surface on the ship. I cut the mast is a tall pole, and ropes, and made myself a small raft. Now what he did, there was no boat or nothing, so with the help of the mast and rope, he made a small raft. What is raft? What is raft? Raft is a flat surface made of pieces of wood tied together and used as a boat. Alright, so he made a small raft. I managed to get this raft into the sea and tie it to the vessel with a rope. So at last, when he was successful in making a raft, with very difficulty, he put that raft into the sea. He got that raft into the sea and tied it to the vessel. Vessel means any means of transport for water. So here it is the ship. So that as he's collecting the things, the raft should not float away. So that's why he tied the raft with the vessel with the help of a rope. I found some of the seamen's boxes. Seamen's boxes means a box used by a sailor. Alright, seamen's boxes means boxes used by a sailor on board, and filled them with stores. So he found some of the boxes on the ship. So in that boxes, he filled some of the things which he would be needing. What were they? Bread, rice, cheese, and some wine. Wine is a type of drink. I also found some clothes, and in the captain's cabin, 2 guns, a pair of pistols, and some powder and shot. These all are means types of firearms. All these I piled. Piled means to put together. All these I piled onto the raft, and having found a broken oar. Oar means a long pole used to row a boat. Now he had made the raft, but how will he go? So anyhow he managed to get a broken oar. I cast off from the vessel and started for the shore. Cast off means he left from the vessel and started his journey towards the shore. Alright, when I reached the sand, I carried the things up onto dry land. And as he reached the island, he reached the sand, he took all the things with him and carried them to the dry land. Dry land means a safe place on the island where there is no water. All right, a safe place on the island where there is no water. Now children, see this picture. In this picture you can see a big ship. These all white pieces of cloth, they are the only sails. They control the direction of the wind, and they also help the ship in the movement to move. All right, and these, the long poles, the tall poles you can see now on which these sails are tied, these are only the masts. Now what is this? This is the picture of a deck. All right, the flat surface, this is called the deck. Now what is this? This is a raft. What is this? This is a raft, a flat surface. You can see the flat surface made of pieces of wood tied together. All right, see, different pieces of woods are tied together as a boat. They are used, it is used as a boat, and this is called raft. This is called, and in this picture you can see a box. This is the box, seamen's boxes. This is the box which the sailors used to carry with them, and all the essential things what they would be needing, they fill in this only. All right, so this is the seamen's box. Now children, the rest of the story we will do in the next video. All right, thank you.